Hi everyone, this is a test video to illustrate how to load R onto your computer. I use Windows 10 here at the office and it hasn't been loaded onto this machine yet. So the first thing we're going to do is type in load R onto Windows, and there is a hyperlink here that you could use. I think we're going to use this one that says R for Windows Crayon, and this one talks about like how to load R onto your machine. And you click on this, it says this is where you can get the Windows version. You're going to run 64-bit if you have Windows 10. So this tells you all the sites that you can load from. All of this seems very hard, but it's really not. And then you just pick on a site that you want to load from, and it doesn't really matter where it is. We're going to load from this one. This shows download R for Linux, Mac, or Windows. And this is a Windows machine, so we're going to download Windows here. Install R for the first time. This is the latest version number, 3.6.2. So we're going to click that, and we're going to run it. And you can see it downloading. It's an 82 megabyte file, so you might want to be on a fairly fast internet connection like here at the university. And then it should automatically become available. You can see this popped up on my window. I'm going to load it. It will ask you what language. Click English. It will give you this setup box. We're going to do next. This tells you what directory that it's put into, and it tells you all of the installations. We're going to do startup options. You could set up custom. We're going to worry about that later. Click yes. Click R. This puts a shortcut on your start menu. And we're going to put a desktop icon as well. And quick launch, yes. And it's going to be fairly quick. Sorry for the delay. I should have some music playing in the background so you guys will be happy and have something to focus on, but it shouldn't take that long to extract and put all this onto my desktop. I say that it's running quite a lot. So there's probably some more entertaining versions of how to do this install on YouTube, but I wanted to run a test to put something up on the YouTube channel for you so you can see how it works. And then you put finish, and now down here in the start menu you should have one that says R, and there it is. And if you do this is the 32-bit and this is the 64-bit, and this is what R looks like. It's just a command prompt capability. All right, so that concludes this installation video, and then in a minute we're going to do a separate installation video for RStudio. Thanks everybody.